Hello, my happy family. Greetings to you all. Once again, you are welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can prepare your Achi soup. This soup does not really require much recipe, garnishing, spices. It's very one of the easiest soup you can prepare, but super delicious. Guys, so these are the recipe I'm going to be using. I will take my time to introduce them to you so that you can really get it. So the first one is this palm oil is needed. This is stockfish, crayfish, grounded one or powdered crayfish, chopped onion, powdered pepper, spices, pepper soup spices, and this one is a seasoning cube. This one is a native Maggi. I call it native Maggi, or you can also call it Ogeri, or in my tribe we call it a very strong. There is a fresh one also. This one, for you to be able to use it, you need to dissolve it with warm water or hot water. When the time comes, you will see it. This is a Uziza leaf. Okay, you can as well use a oha. You can as well use oha leaf if you can lay your hands on it. The fresh one, if you can get the fresh one, is more better. This is salt to taste. This is the achi. This is the powder form of it, but it do comes in form of seed, but very strong. So this is the powder form. When you use it excess, you cannot eat the soup. It becomes like a gidi. So this is a cow foot. I've already boiled it, or I've already cooked it. Okay, guys, this next one is a catfish. Guys, if you have made this soup before and you have not used a catfish, wow, guys, using catfish on this soup, oh, I don't know how I can describe it, but it's really super rico. So I'll be adding a beef to it. So you can also construct the beef or the meat you are going to be using. It might be different from what you are seeing here. And if you can lay your hands on a dry fish also, and I think it's still super delicious. It's wonderful. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be doing, I will start seasoning my stockfish with seasoning cube, chopped onions. I'll add water. I will move it and then bring to a boil. So can you see this protein that I have here? So I have already diced this one or cut this one off camera so that the video will not be too long. So this is the cow foot. So this is the size I desire, and you can cut yours just like what you are seeing, or how you desire it to be, how you desire the size to be. So this is the beef also. I've already diced this one also. So this is how it looks like. So last but not the least, this is the catfish. I have 5 pieces from it. Guys, the good part of this soup, it does not really require too much money cooking it. Before you know it, your pot of soup is ready. The first time I prepared this soup, or I ate this soup, I almost finished the pot of soup. So I've already transferred the soup to the bigger pot, and I add my beef to it, and I had the catfish seasoning. If you don't add your catfish on time, it will not be well cooked, and then the ingredient will not penetrate. Can you see I'm adding my seasoning, crayfish, pepper, and seasoning cube. So this one, this Ogeri or native Maggi, you cannot add it like this. So I'll add salt to taste. So that native maggi, I will soak it with warm water and put aside. So if the water is not sufficient, you can add to it. The next thing I will be doing, I will be adding my palm oil. There's other version you can cook this palm oil, this soup without palm oil also. So this is the native maggi, Ogeri, okay, Ogeri. I soak it with warm water already. I put it aside for about 10 minutes. So this soup, I will leave it for about 15 minutes to really cook and well blended together before I will now bring other thing in. So it's progressing gradually. So before it will be well boiled, I will be mixing this achi with cold water. Some people do add it direct in a powder form, but it will have lumps on it. Can you see how it looks like? So the next thing I'm going to be doing now, this okpere that I have already soaked. So I'm going to use this my mortar and this pestle to dissolve it. Dissolving it with this mortar and pestle, it make it very quick and fast. But if you don't have this one, guys, don't stress yourself. Use anything you can lay your hands on. Can you see how the soup is progressing now? Guys, even your neighbors around you that is sleeping, this soup can even, the aromas of this soup can even wake them from sleep. Guys, the first time I ate this soup, to be honest, I almost finished the pot of soup. So I'm adding the achi now. Guys, if the achi is too much, you will not enjoy it and you will not like it. And if the achi on it is too much, what will you do? First, I will be adding my Uziza leaf now. And if it's too thick, what will you do? What you need to do is you add more water to it until it become light. And after you finish cooking, remove it from your gas. If not, if you leave it on top of your gas, it to keep cooking again, it will become more thicker. And I add this my cow food to it at this point because it is already well cooked before now. In order for the cow food not to be too stuffed, that is why I did not add it on time. Okay, so if the soup is too thick, you can add water to it to correct it, to make it a bit lighter, because it's a soup that does not really need to be too thick like a goosey and all the rest. Can you see how the soup is really progressing? Guys, please, have you shared this video? And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please encourage your girl, your sister, and do so. And this video, guys, have you liked this video? Have you? Please like the video and leave your comment. Please leave your comments below. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate with all humbleness. God bless you all. See you soon again on my next video. Bye bye.